Welcome to my English study channel. Here you'll learn new words to enhance your vocabulary and speaking skills. See the word. Hear the word. Say the word. Practice often to remember all words better. The more you practice, the better you will become. Welcome to our series of lessons on English food and drink vocabulary. Today's lesson is going to be very delicious. I can't wait myself. Pancakes, noodles, cheesecake, we have it all. Get ready to improve your English and learn more about food and drinks. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more English learning lessons. Alright, let's begin. Food and drinks. Part 1. Pancakes. Pancakes. I often eat pancakes with honey for breakfast. Pancakes. Waffles. Waffles. Do you like waffles with strawberries or raspberries? Waffles. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Some people like to eat oatmeal with nuts and fruits. Oatmeal. Toast. Toast. The cafe offers delicious toast with jam and peanut butter. Toast. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. I like scrambled eggs with cheese and spinach. Scrambled eggs. Fried eggs. Fried eggs. Do you like fried eggs with bacon? Fried eggs. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs taste best with radishes and mayonnaise. Hard-boiled eggs. Omelette. Omelette. My mom makes the best vegetable omelette with mushrooms. Omelette. Muffin. Muffin. My sister always brings chocolate muffins to work. Muffin. Sandwich. Sandwich. I like to eat a cheese sandwich for lunch. Sandwich. Soup. Soup. Tomato soup is a popular choice for lunch. Soup. French fries. French fries. I like to eat French fries with ketchup. French fries. Roast chicken. Roast chicken. Roast chicken is a classic and delicious dish for a family dinner. Roast chicken. Meatballs. Meatballs. Meatballs taste good with tomato sauce. Meatballs. Steak. Steak. How do you like your steak cooked? Medium, rare or well done? Steak. Onion rings. Onion rings. I love onion rings with ketchup as a snack. Onion rings. Spaghetti. Spaghetti. Do you want your spaghetti cooked al dente or soft? Spaghetti. Garlic bread. Garlic bread. Garlic bread is a popular side dish at Italian restaurants. Garlic bread. Potato salad. Potato salad. I make the best potato salad with mayonnaise and pickles. Potato salad. Noodles. Noodles. Do you like noodles with soy sauce or peanut sauce? Noodles. Tacos. Tacos. Tacos are a popular Mexican dish. Tacos. Burritos. Burritos. My favorite burrito has rice and beans. Burritos. Baked potato. Baked potato. Baked potatoes are delicious with sour cream. Baked potato. Grilled fish. Grilled fish. Grilled fish is a healthy dinner option with vegetables and rice. Grilled fish. Apple pie. Apple pie. I love eating warm apple pie with vanilla ice cream on top. Apple pie. Cheesecake. Cheesecake. Cheesecake is a popular dessert in many countries. Cheesecake. Cupcake. Cupcake. Cupcakes are small, colorful, and delicious to eat. Cupcake. Fruit salad. Fruit salad. Fruit salad is the perfect dessert on a hot day. Fruit salad. Milkshake. Milkshake. Vanilla milkshakes are always a good choice. Milkshake. Smoothie. Smoothie. Smoothies are a healthy way to eat fruits and vegetables. Smoothie. Part 2. In this part, we show the picture, and you say the word. Do you enjoy trying new foods and drinks? Let's see how many English words you know to describe them. Ready to put your knowledge to the test? Okay, let's get started. Pancakes. Pancakes. Waffles. Waffles. Oatmeal. Oatmeal. Toast. Toast. Scrambled eggs. Scrambled eggs. Fried eggs. Fried eggs. Hard-boiled eggs. Hard-boiled eggs. Omelette. Omelette. Muffin. Muffin. Sandwich. Sandwich. Soup. soup, French fries, French fries, roast chicken, roast chicken, meatballs, meatballs, steak, steak, onion rings, onion rings, spaghetti, spaghetti, garlic bread, garlic bread, potato salad, potato salad, noodles, noodles, tacos, tacos, burritos, burritos, baked potato, baked potato, grilled fish, grilled fish, apple pie, apple pie, cheesecake, cheesecake, cupcake, cupcake, fruit salad, fruit salad, milkshake, milkshake, smoothie, smoothie. Bravo! I'm impressed. Well done. We hope you enjoyed learning these new English words. Please watch other videos on our channel and continue building your vocabulary. We recommend watching this video every 5 days until you have mastered all the words. We've also created for you a short video featuring all the words from this episode to help you quickly refresh your memory. Please check it out in our shorts section. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more English language learning content. See you next time.